Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the Home button on Google Chrome, so you'll always have easy, one-click access to your favorite starting page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a convenient little home icon right where you want it, making your browsing faster and smoother. Let's get started right away. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. If you already have it open, great. Just make sure you're looking at the main window. The steps we're about to walk through work on both Windows and Mac, so whichever computer you're using, you're in the right place. Next, you'll want to find the three little dots stacked vertically in the top right corner of your Chrome window. Those dots are like Chrome's master control switch. They open up the Settings and Tools menu. Click on those three dots. Sometimes you might need to squint just a bit or wiggle your mouse around. They're easy to overlook if you have a lot of tabs open, but trust me, they're there. Once you've clicked those dots, a drop-down menu pops up with a bunch of options. We're looking for the one called More Tools. Hover your mouse over it and give it a click. This part might take a few moments if you've never explored these menus before, but don't worry if you don't see it at first. Sometimes it's a bit lower down the menu, so just scroll if you need to. More Tools is your gateway to customizing Chrome beyond the basics. Now, within More Tools, you'll see another set of choices. What we want is to customize Chrome itself, so go ahead and select the option that says Customize Chrome. It might feel a little recursive, like opening a door inside another door, but this is where Chrome stores all the ways you can tweak how things look and behave. Once you're in the customization area, look for the section labeled Toolbars. You might see a few different things here, like options to move buttons around or add shortcuts. What really matters is the row at the top where you can actually enable or disable different toolbar buttons. Find the one that says Home. It's usually right at the top of the list. The Home button looks like a little house, giving you that comforting feeling of always being just one click away from your go-to page. To turn it on, simply click on the toggle next to Home. When you click it, it should switch from gray to blue, or from off to on, depending on your theme. Take a moment to double-check that it's enabled. Sometimes toggles in Chrome require a firm click. This newly enabled Home button will now pop up to the left of your address bar at the top of your browser. If you don't see it right away, don't panic. Try closing and reopening Chrome just once, and it should appear. And there you go. You've now activated the Home button, and you can customize where it sends you on each click. By default, Chrome will send you to the standard start page, but you can change this in the settings to whatever homepage you prefer. Maybe your favorite news site, your email inbox, or even a custom dashboard. If you got a little lost in any step, don't worry. That's totally normal. Chrome's menus can get deep, so take your time and retrace any clicks if needed. Now you'll always have quick access to Home, adding a touch of efficiency to your daily browsing routine. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any hiccups along the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical walkthroughs just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.